I wanted to show you guys one you can see right here. Packed up these and I really like how it looks. Love this store. And I found it like this. Good morning, guys. I thought I'd vlog today because it was a long time no see. Well, you've seen me, I've done some fashion videos, but haven't done any vlogging in a while, which I thought was needed, a good little catch up. And we've done a few home bits, so I wanted to show you guys one you can see right here. So I put this lamp up and I actually changed the light fixture myself because I'm not sure if you're aware. Before there was like a little like chandelier situation, so I actually had to change the light fixture, which I just got 2 of these from Amazon. One for here, one for in the hallway, which I'll show you guys. I plan on changing too. And then we put this beautiful lampshade in here, which is from Made. And I love how that's turned out. Good morning, my boy. Good morning. Hello, gorgeous boy. Hello, my gorgeous. So yeah, sorry. That is one of the things that we did. And then if we go into here, there was a shelf here, I don't know if you guys remember, from IKEA. I dismantled that, that's gone in the loft. And then in here, we have a mirror. So I put this mirror up on this wall. Well, the boy helped me. I just felt like this wall needed something. And I really like how it looks. It brings in a bit of warmth, the gold. It looks tiny, it's not that small. It's actually pretty large. See, it's a pretty big mirror. Please excuse the sofa mess. That's just what happens at night time after watching Love Island. But yeah, I just think it brings in a bit of warmth and like the wood. It's the same kind of brass as what's the hardware on there. But the task for today, as you see this chair here, I don't love it. I think it sticks out a bit too much into the middle of the room. We plan on changing this coffee table at some point, but I just think it's a bit much. And I thought, this is the baby's bed area before we get a desk chair. I just don't love it. I think it's worn. I planned on reupholstering it, which I think I will still do. But it's the same colour. Like, it obviously was supposed to be cream, but it's the same colour as this. And I don't like it. So I think what I would like to get is like one feature chair here, or maybe 2, depending on how it fits, underneath the mirror, and then a nice side table with a vase or something to go on it. But the huge task for today, and then we'll get on to another one if I have time, is to clear this mess. This is ridiculous. This is too much. And then obviously this is the same carpet that was on the stairs. So I want to lift this all up too. So then when we paint it all in one go. And I plan on putting the chair here. So that is today's task. Good morning all. Okay, this is a really ancient light, which I got for my room years ago. Never put it up, but it's silver. I'm actually thinking this might be a good light for when we do the wardrobe room, because it's got 3 spotlights, and maybe we can spray it a gold or a bronze. So I'm going to keep this for now. I think also what I'm going to need here is a rubbish bag. So let me get one. So as you can see, I've cleared the space. I have also, which was on the agenda today, packed up these Thrift Plus Farfetch orders. You order the bags online, they send them to you for free, and then 50% goes to a charity of your choice and you get Farfetch credit with it. This is now, I think, the third time I'm doing it. They only give you 3 bags at a time. I'm clearing, obviously, a lot of stuff in the house, so it's very useful. I'm also making lunch. We've got some vegan chicken bits in there that I've put in the oven, and I'm going to make a little wrap for us each with some coleslaw here, which will be delicious. And then I have some errands to run in town, so we're going to run to town. I need to drop those bags off. I pick the Collect Plus option. You can also, if you have a printer, they can come pick it up from you. I have a printer, as you saw, but it doesn't work, so I couldn't use that option, but it's fine because I've got a Collect Plus down the road from me drop off point, which is really simple. I just screenshot it, they scan it, I leave it there, and then they tell me when they've received it. So easy. But yeah, let's eat and then I need to go run some more errands. But today it's feeling very, very productive. I've also put the desk on Facebook Marketplace. Hopefully someone will buy that. If not, I will donate it also, and I'm going to move the chair up there. But all of that also needs to be painted. The hallway needs to be painted, so I'm excited for all that too. No! Oh, please excuse my appearance. We are back from town. Didn't do too much, was pretty uneventful, but we did get a couple things which I thought might be of interest. I actually love this store. And we got a paper, but this wooden board is for this issue we're having here. So let's give it a go. Oh, that looks better, doesn't it? I will take that tag off, but that looks better. And then I also got some chopsticks. These are £1, but obviously go with the kitchen now. And they're nice and plain and simple. Now, I'm probably gonna shower and chill out for the evening. This guy was waiting for us though. Weren't you? Weren't you? Hi, gorgeous. You gorgeous. You are. Where's Daddy gone? What's this? What's this? That's a good boy. Go in. Please excuse the appearance. I obviously, as you saw, just played some tennis, which was lovely. Just came home and had some breakfast. Well, actually ate Pringles for breakfast. So bad. My diet is not good at the moment. But I just had a cheese twist for brunch type thing, I guess. I'm going to jump in the shower and then I'm going to tell you, show you guys what has happened to my bag, which I think I'm gonna need to take some pictures of, send it off to Balenciaga, but I will show you guys after I've had a shower because I feel sicky and gross, and yeah, I just need to clean up first. Okay, I'm freshly showered, feel nice and clean. I did put a little bit of gradual tan on. As you can see, I am a bit pale. My arms are definitely a bit darker than the rest of me, I think, through playing tennis and stuff. But let me show you guys what has happened to my bag. So I think you might already be able to see there. I do have some stuff in it because I have been using it. Hello, my boy. Because I can still use it with this strap. But I want to know if this has happened to anyone else's bag. Which is that I was in London the other day with my friend and I picked it up by the handles, the short handles, which is what I normally do. And I found it like this. And what has happened is obviously the stud on that side has come out, but I still have the screw bit on the other side. So I think I do have receipts and stuff in here, so sorry. I have, oh God, I hope I do. Oh, I do. Yeah. Oops. So here is what has come out of this side of the handle. So we pop that back in. Pop that back in. That's on that side, But obviously on this side, once you've looped it through there, it's supposed to be a stud like this. But that has somehow come undone. So I'm gonna take a picture or just take it back to Balenciaga and see what they can do. Because I do love this bag a lot. Oh, can we focus? I do love this bag a lot. It's like the perfect day bag for me. And I can put it on my shoulder if I've got too much in there, or I can just hold it by the handles. It's like the perfect size to carry like your water, just everyday bag. It's like perfect. So I've used this a lot. I bought it I think in 2017, yeah. So now it's 4 years old, something like that. And I know they don't do this exact bag anymore, but obviously like this is a classic. I think they have like the updated version of the Classic City, but this is a classic, and obviously I'm assuming they would still have the studs somewhere, so I'm hoping that they can fix it. I will let you guys know. But if this has happened to anyone, please let me know what you did, if they fixed it for you, or if this hasn't happened, I'm baffled why it happened to mine. It's a pretty sturdy bag, and obviously like the leather has not ripped or anything. It's just the stud has unscrewed, because you can see close up, it's a screw. Like this little pin is actually a screw, but it's obviously just come out. So the stud obviously screws into this bit. So I'm going to keep that safe in there. And now I just keep the handle inside. But yeah, it's a bit annoying, but I do love this bag. So I definitely want to get it fixed or do something about it, because it's usable, but obviously not as fully functional as it was previously. Let's go in good lighting. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this vlog, and I guess I'll let you guys know in the next vlog what happens with the bag. I hope you guys have enjoyed this couple summer days, I guess, in London, what I've been up to. And I will be vlogging more, but obviously I feel like you guys enjoy the fashion and outfit stuff more, so obviously I'll be carrying on doing more of that as well. But I hope you guys are having a lovely summer wherever you are, and I shall see you very soon.